All right, guys, today's a live webinar. Please, 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 this is why I don't want you to miss it. You know, when you come and see these videos there, people are making $900 a day, $900 a day, but let's get beyond all that. If there's any reason why you have to have a backup plan or a online business, let me explain something to you. These are the companies that are closing their doors in the next 12 months in 2024. Well, 4 months is already gone, right? Dollar Tree closing 600 stores. CVS closing 900 stores. Walgreens closing 150 stores. Outback Steakhouse closing 41 stores. UPS is laying off 12,000 people. Citigroup is cutting 20,000 more jobs. Regal Cinema, 429 locations. And we all know this one, Kroger's grocery chain, closing 413 stores. Foot Locker, 400 stores. Walmart closed 6 of their superstores. The reason why I sit there and share with this, there are so many more other companies that people are losing their jobs. I became a digital marketer simply because I lost my job after 25 years. They came into my office and said my role had been eliminated. This webinar is not just teaching you how to make $10,000. Can I share with you, in less than 6 months, I've made over 6 figures. That's not a joke. That's 2-3 hours a day. And tonight, you go to this webinar, I'm going to teach you how. So get ready, put webinar in the comments, be there.